Two rechargeable drinking water pumps. Both are broken. This one has a faulty pump. The other, the charging port, is ripped clean off the board. At first, I thought this would be easy. Just use one as a donor and build other working unit. Simple, right? But once I open them up, surprise! Surprise! Different board size, different motor dimension, different internal layout, nothing matches. Now I have two broken devices and no easy swap solution. So instead of forcing a complicated modification, I took a closer look under the microscope, and what I found might actually save this device. The charging port didn't just break, it tore the PCB traces. Let's open this thing. It's good, it works fine, but I don't need the middle two pins, so I trim them off. I only need this pin actually. This one is positive and negative is the whole body. So if I trim this negative pin too, it will work. But if I don't do this, I'll solder it like this. This trace is ripped off, so I have to solder its body from here to here. Disconnect the battery first. Now we can solder it easily. At first, the corner. Nice. Now this corner. Very nice. And then this part. Nice. You don't need this clip now. And now we're going to solder in here. Yes, perfect. And now the main thing, I have to solder the positive and negative pin. I think positive one is connected and now the negative one. I think everything is connected perfectly. Fantastic. Let's just connect the battery and you can see it works. Charging LED, red one, and this one is operating LED. And the problem is here is a gap between the board and the battery, so when we press the button, we have to press the button very hard. So I'm going to use this foam piece and here. Nice. You can see it's charging and it works. I tested it now and it's dead in less than a minute. That means the battery is very weak. So we have to change its battery, I think. Let's do it now. We need a good battery. But the problem is good batteries are expensive. Not a problem. So after repairing the PCB traces and reattaching the charging port, the device started charging perfectly. And the pump was working great. But during testing, I noticed something strange. It ran for a short time and then suddenly stopped. No reason. That's when I suspected the battery. After removing the small original battery and testing it with an 18650 cell, the pump came back to life, strong and stable. So I modified the battery holder, made some extra space, and installed a proper 18650 battery. And now it works beautifully. I have tested it for a long duration and the performance is solid and reliable. This repair turned out to be more than just fixing a charging port. It needed a power upgrade too. If you enjoyed this kind of real world troubleshooting and repair, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next fix.